anyone out there take this interview right here with some great dance beat, remix it, remix it. What do you mean by what's that? Remix, dance beat, remix. Remixing is okay. Okay. Remixing is okay. Okay. Copyright laws are turning kids into criminals. Throw the law. Kids into criminals.
Totally failed war.
Kids into criminals.
Totally failed war.
She said we need a surge.
Totally failed
Kids
war.
into criminals. She said we need a surge.
Totally failed
Kids
war.
into criminals. Kids into criminals.
10 years we've been waging this war.
Kids into criminals. Doing some hard time.
Totally failed
Kids
war.
into criminals. Doing some hard time.
The insanity of a system produced by our Congress. They have passed 24 laws
Turning kids into criminals.
Problem.
Turning kids into criminals.
Problem.
Have they worked? Have they stopped?
No, of course not.
Of course not. Out of madness. The illusion of action. Remixing is okay. Remixing is okay.
Think about what makes sense. Taking work and building on top of it. On top of it.
I could take your book right here. I could take your book right here.
You're making something new.
You're cool with that?
Right.
Much more.
Right.
Exactly my point.
Take anything mine. Remixing is okay. Okay. Remixing is okay. Okay. So what's the future?
Eternal.
Wow.
I'm okay with that. You can totally remix this. I'm fine with this. I'm fine with this.
Wow.
We're in this together.
Wow.
We're in this together.
Wow.
We're in this together.
Wow.
Remixing is okay. Remixing is okay.
You're going down. This is your demise. You will finally drown on your sea of lies. Strike the root of the streets, falling soon, making a clearing. Strike the root, it's time to sing, calling to you and me. No way back now, trapped by your faults. And if we turn around, disintegrate to salt. Strike the root of the streets, falling soon, making a clearing. Strike the root, we're unplugging, calling to you and me. Twist street.